Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to switch accounts on Roblox without password. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are. As you can see currently on Roblox, I'm currently logged into one of my accounts. Now to go ahead and switch accounts, all you want to do is come up the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon. And from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto switch accounts. Now what this is going to do is bring up a window like this. If you've not got any other accounts logged in, what you want to do is click onto the Add Account button. What you can now do is log in with your other account that you want to switch. And once you've done that, it's going to log you into that account. Now, once that account's actually logged in, if you actually come back up to the top right-hand corner, click onto the gear icon, and again click on Switch Accounts. You will now see all the accounts that you're logged into. And to switch accounts is really quick to do now, because all you need to do is simply click onto the account that you want to switch. And you no longer need to log in or no longer enter password because of course you're already logged in. So you can quickly switch between the accounts by using this feature on Roblox. So that's basically how you can switch accounts on Roblox without password. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.